What you guys, got another video here for you. Now, a couple of people have messaged me on my forum asking me that when they've upgraded their Windows that their Edge has disappeared, and it's disappeared from inside their programs list here. And sometimes this does happen, and what you can do is re-register Edge, and it's an easy way to fix it. So let me just show you how to go about doing that. What you need to do here is come down to where the start button is here, right click on this, and you will see PowerShell here. PowerShell with admin. Now if you don't see it here, then you've got an older version of Windows 10, and what you need to do is type PowerShell inside here like so, and you'll see it there. Okay, then you need to right click and run as administrator. Either way, it doesn't really matter which way you go about doing it, but this will open up this window here. You should see administrator Windows PowerShell. Then what you need to do is paste in this code. I will leave this code in the video description for you, and then you can see here it's just going to make the older version old. So I'm going to say enter, and that will then make that file there, which is your Edge here. So I'll show that location is exactly where the packages are, okay, for Edge, and all it's done is it's just created it .old. Okay, it's all it's doing it there. You can do it manually yourself by going there to that location and putting a .old on the end if you want to, but this is a lot quicker and easier. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is type in this next command, and I'll paste it up on the screen right now so you can see it. It's this one here, and then as you do that, it will automatically re-register your Edge, as you can see here, and you can see it's done all that for us. So what we're going to do here is reboot the system, and we'll go ahead and then do that right now. So once you've rebooted your system, Edge should be back here, and you should see Edge back inside here as well. Let me just see here. It's down here. There we are. Microsoft Edge. And if you don't see it on your taskbar, you can always right click on this and pin this to your taskbar once it's done that. Okay, so it's pretty simple, and that should resolve your issue with the disappeared Edge from Windows 10 update once you've updated. Okay, anyway, I hope this one helps you out. It's just a quick one. My name is Brian from BriTechComputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.